Welcome back, and today I will talk about chord inversions. Chord inversions is when you have a chord like the first chord here. You see it's a C7, because this is a C7 chord, and an inversion, that's hard to say, is when the another note in the chord is the root. So here is the first inversion, and as you can see, the root of the chord is gone, and we have this high C to replace this low C. So the root of the chord moved up to the fifth, and the C is here. And this is the first inversion. Second inversion is when you move the bass note here, you move it up here, and the fifth becomes the root. So the first inversion is when the third becomes the root, and the second inversion is when the fifth becomes the root, and then the third inversion is when the seventh becomes the root. So it's just like inversion, you do it. It's like a game. You just take the bottom note and stack it on top. It's sort of like Jenga. In that way, if you want to think about it, you just take the root note and put it on top, and so the second note becomes the root. So that is basic chord inversions. And I did it like this so you can clearly see what is happening, but this doesn't sound good, and so you don't need to do it like this. You could have the bass note move down and make it better, or move the notes around, but the point is that the root moves, the root of the chord moves up, so that is chord inversions. Yeah.